Who do you want to go on the stage and dance? Click here and your friends will be able to dance.
In my own candy
Click here and your friends will be able to dance.
shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many color.
Connect them in the direction of the arrow.
Rainbow candy and lollipops are here. Welcome to my candy shop. How about some milk candy? How about some cotton candy? Or try this popping sugar? In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored rainbow candy and lollipops are here. In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored
Connect them in the direction of the arrow.
rainbow candy. Everybody try some, please.
Here is a heart. The beach party has started. Let's play together. Kiki's beach party looks like fun. Let's go. We will need snacks for the party too. Have a look. Snack corner. These are the things Kiki is going to buy. Take a few more. Take a few more. These are the things Kiki is going to buy. Press the right switch to weigh the food. Put a sticker on the bag. Place the bag in the shopping cart. Decorations corner. Place objects on there to check the price. Insert money. The party has started. Go play with your friends. Kiki wants to sit in our chair. The others want to play together too. Wow, there is a lot of delicious food. Have some. Wow, there is a lot of delicious food. Have some. Wow, there is a lot of delicious. There are some drinks too. There are a lot of fun things here. Move the screen to look around. The Christmas party has started. Come and have fun.